Imagine this. There are two words so powerful that when spoken with faith and belief, they begin to reshape your entire reality. Neville Goddard, one of the greatest teachers of manifestation, hinted at this secret over and over again, but very few people truly understood what he meant. Today, I'll reveal what these two words are, how to use them, and why you must never speak them carelessly. Neville Goddard taught that your imagination creates reality. Whatever you assume to be true and persist in feeling must eventually harden into fact. He explained that God and man are one, that the creative power we call God is actually your own consciousness. So when you speak, you're not just using words, you're issuing commands to the universe through the divine power that lives within you. Now here's what Neville said. The two most powerful words in existence are, I am. That's it. Two simple words, yet they hold the key to everything you want to manifest. Whatever follows I am begins to shape your identity and your world. When you say I am rich, you start embodying abundance. When you say I am loved, you align with the vibration of love. But when you say I am broke, or I am not enough, you unconsciously manifest that reality too. The universe doesn't judge. It simply reflects your state of being. Here's how to use the secret, the Neville way. Step 1. Be still. Close your eyes and quiet your mind. Step 2. Enter the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Imagine it's already done. Step 3. Affirm using I am. Say things like, I am successful. I am abundant. I am loved. I am free. Step 4. Feel it real. Don't just say the words. Feel what it's like to already be that person. Step 5. Persist. Even when nothing seems to be changing, keep assuming it's already done. Neville warned against sharing your manifestations before they materialize. Why? Because the moment you talk about them too soon, you invite doubt, opinions, and energy that can interfere with your belief. This is why he said, go into your room and shut the door. Meaning, keep it sacred. Keep it between you and your imagination until it's real in the outer world. Let's say you're trying to manifest your dream job. Instead of worrying or begging the universe, close your eyes and declare within, I am already working in my dream job. Feel the excitement. Feel the gratitude. Feel the sense of fulfillment. Live in that feeling every day. And soon, the outer world will catch up. Remember, the words I am are not just affirmations. They are divine declarations of creation. Whatever you attach to them becomes your reality. So use them wisely. Say these two words every day. But don't tell anyone. Keep your manifestations sacred and let the results speak for themselves. If this message resonated with you, type in the comments, I am manifesting my dream life. Like this video, subscribe to Manifest Mindset, and remember, everything you want already exists within you. Because you are the I am. Stay blessed, stay aligned, and keep imagining boldly.